In manufacturing, the most difficult jobs rarely come with second chances. For over 3 decades, Ravi Kandasamy has built Viyoma Manufacturing by taking up precision driven, complex engineering challenges others often avoid.
People come to us only with critical jobs. When they face difficulties, so we take it as a challenge, develop the part. Once they are satisfied with the quality, that gives us more pride.
Raised in a police family shaped by discipline and frequent transfers, Ravi once dreamt of joining the police.
My father insisted me, no, we should have an engineer in family. So I was forced to study engineering.
After completing mechanical engineering from Chennai in 1979, he joined HMT as a trainee engineer, where his work in technology forecasting helped him understand the future of manufacturing.
I realized after maybe 10 years, 15 years, big companies will not concentrate on manufacturing. Majority of the parts will be outsourced. So the potential is there for MSME.
In 1990, Ravi decided to start on his own and approached a bank for a 52 lakh rupees loan to buy a CNC machine, a technology few people even understood at the time.
The screening committee manager was asking for list of machinery. I said it is only one machine. They were surprised. How can it be 52 lakhs one machine? It took a lot of time for me to get the loan sanction.
With one machine and a small team, the journey of Viyoma Manufacturing began. But the early years were far from easy. Ravi Kandasamy arrived at the factory to find his entire team had left, forcing him to rebuild the company once again from scratch.
They all joined Ashok Leyland.
He invested continuously in new technology, focused only on low volume, high precision, critical components. A decision that gradually earned Viyoma the trust of global companies.
Over 90% of our products are being exported to the world. We're on a path to building capabilities to move towards aerospace, semiconductor, electronics sectors as well.
When precision matters most, quality and customer trust can never be compromised.
The confidence building with the customer was more important.